This is the Sony ZV-E10 camera. If you're the type of person that likes to vlog, you're gonna wanna look into this. It's an APS-C sensor camera that has a bigger battery, which will give you an average record time between 80 to 90 minutes. And here's a chart from Sony's website that shows you the details. Let's take this camera outside so we can see how it looks, and I also do want to test a few things out. Now I'm gonna start walking to show you guys this feature on the camera called Steady Shot. Now what you're seeing right now is Steady Shot being off, so you might see a little shake every time I put in a step. And this is what it looks like with Steady Shot on. Pretty noticeable difference. It really smooths out every time I take a step. Now I'm about to do a microphone test with the wind filter on and off. So currently the wind filter is not on the camera, so this is what the audio sounds like. And this is my voice with the wind filter on. As you could probably hear, it really does a good job cleaning up the audio. I also recorded some flowers outside to see what the colors look like on the camera, and I could say it looks really good. Now let's take a look at what's inside the box. First, you're going to find some papers, including the startup guide. It'll also come with the windscreen for the built-in mic, a power brick, a rechargeable battery, a USB to USB-C for charging the camera. It comes with a nice shoulder strap, and last but not least, the camera itself. And of course, on the back, it's going to have your screen where you can flip it so you can see yourself while recording vlogs. So on the top of the camera, you're going to see a little slot there where you can fit a light, your mic, or the windscreen. Next to it is going to be the built-in microphone. On the right, you're going to see a button where you can defocus the background so it'll only focus on you. On the bottom of it, you're going to find where the battery goes and where the memory card slot goes right next to it. Also, there's going to be a screw hole where you can place it on a mount or a tripod. On the side of the camera, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack in case you want to monitor what you're recording or listen to playback. There's an HDMI output, a USB-C for charging the camera, and there's another 3.5mm input for your microphone. You can use all of the Sony E-mount lenses on this camera like these. However, full-frame lenses will crop in the images. This camera has plenty of controls, so you can customize your photos and videos, including ISO, shutter, and aperture settings. The menu system has features like custom color profiles, connection to the Sony application. You can find all of the details at Sony's support website. You could even create your own custom buttons for settings that you use more frequently. Since I won't be using it too much for vlogging, I picked up an AC power supply from Amazon. That includes a dummy battery so I can use it for non-stop recording. There's even a plastic cover built in for it. I'd say if you want to start vlogging or you just want to get yourself your first camera, this is a great introduction camera. I mean, I played with all the features and looked back at the footage, and this definitely matched my expectations. The colors were really good on this camera, and it's got a longer lasting battery. And I also thought it was so good that I'm actually filming this entire video on a ZV-E10. And with the Steady Shot feature, it's gonna make your vlogs, your family videos a lot more smoother. Or you can vlog with the cinema camera, but that's entirely up to you. I'm Justin, this is Gadget Getters. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.